Good morning, Prep Yellow. I'm your Auntie Sadia. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Today we will do Kinder Math Star bookwork. So let's open it. Open page number 61 and let's see what it says. What comes next? But before we start the walk, what we will do, we have to write down today's date and day over there. Can you tell me what date is today? Today is 28. Very good. So here we will write down 2828.4.2021, and here we have to write down today's day. What day is today? Today is Wednesday. Very good. So let's write Wednesday. W-E-D wet N-E-S-N-E-S D-A-Y day. Wednesday. Now let's read the caption again. What comes next? Follow the pattern and draw. Very easy work. What we have to do, we have to follow the same pattern and then we have to draw the next shape. So let's start. Number one, look at the shapes very carefully. This is small square, big square, small circle, big circle, small triangle, big triangle. Now small square, and after small square which shape will come? Look, after small square which shape is there? Big square. So what we will draw here? Big square. Very good. So let's draw big square. And what is the color of big square? Blue. So which color we will do here? Blue. Very good. So let's do blue color. Coloring is done. Now let's move to next, number 2. Look, what are these? These are arrows, and the arrows face are towards the right side. There are 2 arrows. Now let's move to next. Again there are 2 arrows and their faces are upwards. Now the next is there are again 2 arrows and their faces are towards the left side. Now let's move to next, and there is 1 arrow and its face is towards the down side. So can you tell me which will come next? Look, there are 2 arrows. So if there is 1 arrow, so we have to draw the next arrow like this, and its face should be down. So let's draw the arrow. What you will do? Standing line, then join it like this, then triangle here. So look, we have to draw the same arrow because there are pairs of arrow. And what is the color of this arrow? Red. So which color we will do here? Red. Very good. Let's do color. Coloring is done. Now let's move to next, number 3. Look, there are 3 triangles: small, big, bigger, orange, red, blue. And next is circles: small, big, bigger, orange, red, blue. Now let's move to next. There are 2 triangles: small, big. It means we have to draw bigger triangle over there. So let's draw. We have to draw the triangle. So we will draw big triangle. And what is the color of that triangle? Blue. So let's do blue color. Very good. Coloring is done. Now let's move to next, number 4, and there are again arrows. Look at this arrow. There is 1 arrow face towards the right side, then there are 2 arrows face towards the upwards, then 1 arrow face towards the left side, then 2 arrows face towards the down side, then 1 arrow face towards the right side, then 2 arrows face towards the upwards. Now we have to find out the next pattern. So we can see here there are 2 arrows face towards the up, and after that there is a arrow face towards the left side. So we have to draw this pattern over there. So let's draw the pattern. So we have to draw the arrow over there face towards the left side. So let's draw the arrow. Now which color we use? We use red color. So let's do red color. Very good. Coloring is done. Now let's move to next, number 5, and look at the shapes: square, triangle, circle, and after that square, triangle, circle. Now we have to draw next shape here. So which shape will come here after circle? Look, after circle which shape is? Square. So we have to draw here square. So we have to draw the square over there. So let's draw the square. A square has 4 equal sides. So we have drawn the square. Now what is the color of the square? Orange. So we will do orange color in it. Very good. Coloring is done. Now let's move to next number 6, and again there are arrows. Look at this arrow. Its face is towards the right side. Now after that there is an arrow and it has both side face. After that arrow towards the right side, arrow with 2 faces, arrow with the right side. Now here we have to draw the next shape. So what will come here? Arrow and 2 faces. So arrow, and we have to draw the arrow with 2 faces. So let's draw it. You will draw 2 sleeping lines, then draw one face over there, and then draw another face over there. Now look, this is the arrow with the 2 faces, and what is the color of it? Green. So we will do green color in it. Very good. Coloring is done. Now let's move to next number 7 and look at the shapes very carefully. There is a circle, then a square inside circle, then it's just like a house, and the shapes are triangle, square, and circle. And after that circle, square inside circle, and again just like a house, triangle, square, and inside circle. Now which shape we have to draw here? This is last shape, and after that which shape is this? Circle. It means we have to draw the circle over there. So let's draw the circle like this. Very good. Now which color it is? Blue color. So we will do blue color in the circle. Very good. Coloring is done. Now let's move to next number 8 and look at the shapes. The first shape is triangle, square, and now look what happened next. They join it together, triangle and inside square. This is one pattern. Now after that circle, triangle, again they join it together, circle, inside triangle. Now let's move to next. Here is square, circle. Now we have to draw next pattern over there. So can you tell me which pattern will come here? Here they are joining it together. Just like that they join it together. So here we will join it together. So we will draw square and inside circle. Very good. So let's draw the square. First we will draw the square, then after that inside circle. So let's draw the circle inside. Very good. Now what is the color of the square? Blue, and we will color circle red. Very good. So let's do color. Coloring is done. Very good. So dear children, this is your today's work. Now complete your work. Goodbye.